Nandito tayo sa malaking ukay ng California. Ano, ang dami oh. Grabe. Ano, nakatambay yung iba. Tapos ilalabas nila yon. Wait natin ang signal. Grabe, ang dami. So, isang Mexican parang chip store. Ayan, yan.
Now, those that have Stanleys from Amazon or AirPods, they are $2. Whatever
$2 daw,
those $2 is $2. Those are non-stops that we buy outside.
So, rambulan na yan, mamaya.
You can only pay $2 for it.
$2.
Comes up, and if this pallet is $2.
Hello, excuse me over here. Please clear this area. The pallets will move this way. So can you go to the front or the back? Thank you.
So everything on the table is $2.
Maraka, por favor.
We can't go down.
عقل طالي واحد.
Now, it takes a little bit longer than the usual. So this maybe going to take about 15 minutes.
Dami. Grabe ang pila doon. $2 lahat to. $2 lahat. Everything is $2. Inubok nila. Seller din to yung mga iba eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be coming through in just 1 minute.
1 minute. Alright. Coming. 1 minute na lang daw.
Alright, if you guys can, we're coming through, so we need to keep this clear at all times. Everywhere.
Tagal naman. Ay, may pasok pa. Ito pa. Parating pa. Meron na naman.
Gotta be hands up. Gotta be hands up, okay?
Hands up daw, hands up.
Stand in front of it, and then
Parang laro lang yan.
when he says go, then you can touch it.
Kailangan nakata.
خليها معك في دولار.
خبط العالم جنب بالك.
هاي عمرنا ماما انت. She likes to hear that. Yes, هلا بنروح هاي.
Tagal.
No. شفتي ما ارزلك؟ خليتي ثيابك كلها، انا جبت لك السلايم لتلعبي فيها مش لتدلك ثيابك، هلا بدك تروح عن ثيابك. لا ما في اوبنت، هلا الزلمه بيضربنا اذا اوبنت.
Taas ang kamay.
حط خلاص خلي معك هدول.
Yan no, dampain mo yung ano, yung ano yan? Oo. Duraan mo na. Para walang ano.
اوكي.
Ang tagal naman.
ابنك محمد واحمد.
Dapat buong pamilya para...
Hindi, ang technique dyan, duraan mo. Ay. Every, ano yan eh. Every Wednesday dati.
Ba't na ako yung pakinahan ko naman sa
Oo nga, relate ako eh. Video ko lang. Yalla, habibi, yalla. Alatul. Wajid. Kurri. Tamam.
Go inside, but you don't touch nothing. That way everybody in here walks out with something nice. You don't touch nothing.
So wag daw hawakan. Oh, meron pang scooter ano doon, di ba? Scooter ba 'yon? Yeah. $2 yun. Nga.
Meron pa yung may ilaw.
Sabi ko sa'yo, duraan mo eh.
Di ba anak mali?
Hindi, resell. Yung iba dyan, reseller eh. They're watching you. He said you need to...
Remember when people go in, you don't touch nothing.
See, touch nothing.
So you could go through.
Oh my God, late na ako. Bilisan yung bibidyo ko lang kayo. Ayun, oh.
Ako yung mga bedsheet. Mga bedsheet.
Bedsheet.
No shopping cart.
Oh, taas daw ang kamay. Taas ang kamay.
Hands up.
Okay. TikTok muna kayo, TikTok.
Hands on the left, hands on the right. So this, wave. Wanna wave?
Oh, Zen.
Wave now, wave. Wave, run.
Wahid, itnin, talata, arba, kamsa.
Don't touch nothing.
Oh, touch. Oh, wag daw gagalawin. Don't touch. Yan na. Oh, gulo-gulo na. Don't touch. Ayan, nagkakagulo na. Ayan na. Sino hada, Habibi? Habibi! Bless hada. Hands up. Oh. Don't touch.
Play a game, have fun. Everybody can sit in.
Don't touch it.
No tocar. Go against the table. There's space everywhere. There's a lot of space right here. We want to be a lot of space against the
Like that. Oh, taas mo daw kayo mo. Yan. Tigas talaga ulo.
Macarito no identity. No car.
No touch. Go! Yes! Woohoo! Nice! Wow, look at that. Woohoo!
This is only $2.
Yan na, oh, nagkakagulo na sila. Grabe, dami-dami. Yan, kagulo. Yan na. Ayos. Kagulo na sila. Yan. Engine air filter. Yan, dami. Okay, ako late na. Pasok na ako yan. Grabe. 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 Okay, let's go. At late na ako. Yan po ang ukay-ukay ng Mexicano style at halo-halong style. Enjoy, ano. Grabe. Babush. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Enjoy the ukay-ukay. Dito lang sa ano yan. City Mall. Okay. Late pa ako dahil sa inyo. Ano yan? Dati every Wednesday yan eh. Okay, let's go.